Now we are going to create design by using the pen tool shapes. I will create a structure there, increase and generate the new angle there. So here I will take another design to use it, make a further structure to have different structure here. Use an eraser tool. I will add paints there. So there we have to make it add some attraction.